If you're blind or visually impaired, exploring the internet is nearly impossible. But what if we could really change the game when it comes to that? We're talking to Adena Harmon. She's the founder of a life-changing product called See Here. Tell us more about See Here. What exactly is it?
Thank you, Cleo. First, thank you so much for having me here today.
Of course,
I'm a big fan of your show. I watch you every morning
You're so
and
sweet.
Sunday mornings.
Adena, this is all about you. We're talking about See Here.
Right. So what is See Here? See Here is a combination of an image and audio.
Okay.
And what we've been able to do is connect that space between a stagnant picture, just a regular picture that people take with their phone, and the video. Okay. Because not everything has to be a video. So what we discovered was that when we combine those two together, we get what we call a TIFF file. And what that is a new file format. And what it will do for those who are visually impaired, it will allow them to actually hear what the image is about.
Oh.
So if they're going through and say they're looking at a hamburger, we can see a hamburger and it makes us hungry.
Right.
Well, all they get is image up. That's all they hear because they're using a screen reader.
Okay.
And so now they're actually going to be more immersed into the internet. They're going to be able to hear more about what's going on. Not only do we do that, we can put metadata, we can put data, a text file, so when it opens up, so if you need to be able to read it, for those who are hearing impaired, they get to see it, they can read it, and those who are visually impaired, they get to hear it.
Adena, there's nothing like this on the market right now.
No, there's not. It's just a new tool for those in the digital accessibility arena who are looking to bring their websites up to code. And so what that does is it just says, okay, we're there. We can now, the people who are visually impaired can hear about what's their website's about. And so they can go and download a TIFF and put it on their website.
You know, it takes a lot of steps to develop something like this, and it starts with a passion. And why did you see a need for this? Why did you want to create something like this?
When I first started out, I was looking for a better way to advertise online. And so then when I started talking to other people, they said, this is excellent for those who are visually impaired, because now they get to be part of the internet experience. So I was working with a NASCAR driver, and I said, I was doing some marketing for him. I said, I'm wasting money on videos, and can't put enough words on a picture, or Facebook or Instagram will send it back, say not acceptable. So what I did was I said, we've got to have an image with sound. And everybody goes, it can't happen, it can't happen. Well, we have 2 patents now.
Wow.
So we've changed it. We're kind of going to disrupt the internet, how we use images online today. So those who are visually impaired will have more access. So I brought together a group of people, started with one guy, he says, I know somebody that could do this. We took it to a lawyer and he says, prototype it, do this, do that. We did it. Next thing we do, we bring in somebody else to write the code, do a demo. We actually have an app on iPhone that you can download and make your own. And so it's called See Here. You just look it up in the App Store, there it is.
Adena,
and you can play.
That's amazing. That is amazing. And we're going to get your information on our website.
Great.
I've been following your page on Instagram as well. It's See Here INC, so that you can learn more about the product. But thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And you're going to be at the BigDesign conference speaking.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us. Wow.
Thank you. This has been really great.
Wow. We'll be right back after this break.